Okay, now let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you often like to sing?
Yes, I love to sing, and so sad to say that my singing ability is not so pretty good, and I usually sing when I was alone,
When
and
I am alone.
when I am alone, and don't have
I don't have.
don't have anyone to
Okay, there isn't anyone around me.
me around.
Then I can take the risk of singing. Okay,
Yes.
like that. When do you like to sing? When means morning, night, afternoon. When do you like to sing?
Uh, Personally, I like to singing when
I like to sing when I
I
am.
like to sing when I am alone, and uh, when, I sing along the walking, and
I
that's
sing along the.
walk,
Okay, okay. I sing along
uh,
walk, right?
and
Or I sing as I'm walking, right?
I also sing in day day to day, and in a week.
Okay, I sing especially at weekends. I do karaoke,
Yes.
karaoke, sing along music and all that. How much time do you spend in singing every day?
And not much, but often I give few minutes,
I give
perhaps
few minutes.
perhaps in 20
Okay, all right. How much time? I sing for around 20 minutes. What kind of music do you like to sing, or what kind of songs do you like to sing?
I like to listen song
I like to listen to songs.
I like to listen a song like film song,
Okay, sing. I like to sing film songs.
sing film song, and I also like Punjabi folk music.
Okay, is it difficult to sing well?
Yes, in my personal opinion, I think singing is very difficult task to everyone, and
For everyone.
for everyone, and it it will do who have a certain quality,
Okay, only the person with certain qualities
certain
can
quality.
sing well.
Yes.
All right. Do you want to become a singer?
Uh, I don't want to be a singer,
I
and
don't
I
want to become a singer.
become a singer, and I have no interest in it, because the main reason is that my singing quality is not so good.
My voice is not
My
good. My
voice not
voice
good.
quality is not so good, and
Yes,
I don't know very much about singing. So, therefore, I
but
don't think I can become a singer.
singer.
Okay, like
Okay.
this, you can add some more. All right, thank you very much. Now, let's move on with you. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you like texting your friends or family members?
Yes, I like texting message. I think it is best way to communicate with friends. Sometimes cannot express our feeling to face. So I think it is best way to It is I think it is best
It
method
is the best method
to convey message to other people.
to others or without even disturbing them.
Without,
Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
uh,
You can say both actually.
both are equally
Both actually.
both equally important.
Both are actually important.
Important. I don't have specific preferences. If sometimes I don't want to speak with someone, or I don't talk to others. That's why I receive messages from my friends.
That's why I love to receive
Receive messages
messages
from my
from my
friend.
friends. Have you ever received a confusing text message?
Yes, always. Sometimes my friends send messages without any reason, and they send messages with short forms, also I cannot call back
I cannot call them
back
back.
at this moment.
Okay, and it becomes difficult for
For
me to
me
understand
and
their
what.
message. In what circumstances is making a phone call better than sending a text messages?
Uh, in case
In
emergency,
case of
in
emergency,
case of emergency, it's better to call call then send messages, because sometimes people do not read messages from receive a message
people do not check their inbox.
inbox. That's why, whereas I call them for
So
see.
I think in special situations like any emergency, it's always better to call instead of sending a text message. So just focus and try to have proper conclusion of your answer.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much indeed.